Did. Did you receive my letter? Did you receive my letter? Did you live here? Did you live here? Did you finish the job? Did you finish the job? Did you say something? Did you say something? Did he watch the game? Did he watch the game? Did he invite him? Did he invite him? Did she clean your room? Did she clean your room? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? Did you see anybody there? Did you see anybody there? Did he take a bath? Did he take a bath? When did it begin to rain? When did it begin to rain? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? Why did he quit his job? Why did he quit his job? Why did he run away? Why did he run away? Where did you find this bag? Where did you find this bag? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? When did you get to the office? When did you get to the office? How did you get to know her? How did you get to know her? What did he say? What did he say? He had dark brown hair. He had dark brown hair. He had one daughter. He had one daughter. I had a good time. I had a good time. I had a good idea. I had a good idea. I had a very good day. I had a very good day. He had just arrived. He had just arrived. He had already gone. He had already gone. Had you a car earlier? Had you a car earlier? Had they complained to the police? Had they complained to the police? Had he a bank job? Had he a bank job? Had he a lot of money? Had he a lot of money? Had I fever yesterday? Had I fever yesterday? Had the dog a long tail? Had the dog a long tail? Had the dog beaten you earlier? Had the dog beaten you earlier? Had I told him that? Had I told him that? Had you visited America before? Had you visited America before? Was he at home yesterday? Was he at home yesterday? Was the book interesting? Was the book interesting? Was the movie good? Was the movie good? Was there a lot of traffic? Was there a lot of traffic? Was the teacher telling the story? Was the teacher telling the story? Was he sleeping? Was he sleeping? Was he running? Was he running? What was that noise? What was that noise? How was your day? How was your day? How was your summer? How was your summer? What was served at the party? What was served at the party? When was it finished? When was it finished? She was born 10 days ago. She was born 10 days ago. There was no bathroom. There was no bathroom. The room was warm. The room was warm. She was very busy. She was very busy. She was making tea. She was making tea. Were you at home yesterday? Were you at home yesterday? Were you busy yesterday? Were you busy yesterday? Were you playing tennis yesterday morning? Were you playing tennis yesterday morning? Were you out last night? Were you out last night? Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? Were you at school at that time? Were you at school at that time? Were the people shouting? Were the people shouting? Why were you late this morning? Why were you late this morning? Where were you going? Where were you going? Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? What were you doing there? What were you doing there? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.